Welcome aboard this 2024 Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard. This is a one-owner boat that's been dry stored indoors. She's powered with twin Mercury 300 V8s, naturally aspirated with 57 hours. We have sea deck throughout. Very spacious 31-foot boat. Coming to the helm, dual Simrads, JPO joystick piloting. There's your 57 hours. Very large head down below. Very spacious bow. Come see this boat at Marine Max Pensacola. Please call listing broker Kit Bodree, 850-418-5399. Thank you.